If you want to organize your project properly in Cursor AI, one of the first things you should know is how to add folders. This is a simple but really important step because folders help keep your code clean, structured, and easy to navigate. Whether you're working on a small app or a larger project, creating folders for things like components, assets, or source files can make a huge difference in your workflow. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more easy Cursor AI tips and software tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, open Cursor AI and look at the top left side of the window. You want to find the Files icon in the sidebar. This is your Explorer area, where all of your project files and folders are shown. Once you click that Files icon, Cursor will open up your file structure so you can see what's already inside your project. If you're starting with a blank project, this area may look very simple, but that's completely fine. Next, look for the Folder Creation button. In most cases, Cursor AI shows a folder icon with a plus sign. That is the New Folder button. Click on it once, and Cursor will create a new folder in your project. Depending on where you are in the file tree, the new folder may appear in the current directory or at the level you selected. So if you want the folder inside another folder, make sure you click the correct location first before creating it. After the new folder appears, Cursor will ask you to name it. This is where you type the folder name you want to use. For example, you might name it SRC, Components, Pages, Utils, or Assets, depending on what kind of project you're building. Try to choose a name that clearly describes what the folder is for, because that makes your project much easier to manage later. Once you've typed the name, press Enter to confirm it, and that's really all there is to it. You've now added a folder in Cursor AI. From here, you can continue building out your project by creating more folders and organizing your files in a way that makes sense for your app or website. A good folder structure helps you stay organized, reduces confusion, and makes it much easier to find things as your project grows. If you're new to Cursor AI, here's a quick tip. Take a moment to plan your structure before creating too many folders. For example, you might separate your code into folders for reusable components, static files, and feature pages. That small habit can save you a lot of time later. Also, if you ever need to add more folders, just repeat the same process. Open the Explorer, click the folder plus icon, type the folder name, and press Enter. It's a fast workflow once you get used to it. If this video helped you learn how to add folders in Cursor AI, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more practical tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.